Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to make stir-fry noodles with shrimp. For the ingredient I have Chinese dry noodle 5 pieces, some cabbage, shrimp, some green onion, garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, olive oil. Okay, right now I'm going to cook the noodle inside the boiling water for 3 minutes. Okay, right now I'm going to drain the water from the noodle and rinse it with cold water. Okay, right now in the hot pan, add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And then add garlic inside. Okay, right now after the garlic become golden brown like that, so right now I'm going to add the shrimp. And then add a little bit of salt and keep some for later. Okay, right now add the cabbage inside. Okay, and right now I'm going to add noodle inside and add salt and then sugar and then I'm going to mix it well for 3 minutes. Okay, after cook 3 minutes, right now I'm going to add green onion inside. Okay, right now the noodle is ready, so I'm going to put on a serving plate. Okay everyone, right now it's time to try the noodle. Let's come enjoy with me. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.